Alright lads and lasses, welcome back to another mission around, this time in sunny Northumberland, the Cheviots. We're currently on a mission to Housey Crag. When I get there, see if I can get a view of this eclipse. So the time's closing in. I don't think I've got long left, so I best get a move on. There's two hard guys in front of us who are absolutely sailing ahead with their little walking sticks and that. I'm not used to carrying this big bag of room with us. It's something I'll have to get used to, but see if this cloud behaves and see if we can actually get a shot of this eclipse, And then also later on tonight, supposed to be a meteor shower, so hopefully I can get a shot of that as well. So I've brought my tent and all that. So I'm just going to find a spot and bed doing here for the night. I'm literally just following them over there, mate. Honestly, don't even know where it is. I'm guessing that's it over there. Full of signposts and all, but them two hard guys. Hard gadgies I'm following. They're fucking miles away from me. They started off at the same time and as me. I've made it to Langlee Crag. I think I'm saying that right. I was walking up there and I said there's a couple of older guys in front of us, a couple of older gentlemen. Were literally outdoing me with regards to climbing up the hill, I was saying. But I got tired of them and I stopped them. I basically asked them for directions. That's how clueless I am sometimes. Basically just saying, oh, is this Housey Crag? Well, because I just followed them. I was like, I forgot a day in offline map, so I just followed them. I was like, oh, they look like they know what they're doing. So I followed them up. And I went, oh, is this Housey Crag? And they're like, no. And he's like, oh, Housey Crag's like over there, like behind us. This is Langlee Crag or something. I was like, all right. And I was like, oh, wait, this'll do. I was like, I'm not walking all the way over there. Yeah, Reed. You're on the titties already, like? Gonna do you, mate. That's one of the lads there, just shouting out. I was saying, oh, you on it already? And he was like, oh, it was one half open when I opened my rucksack. I was like, aye, I believe you, mate. Any excuse to get a junior, not like you need an excuse. Look at them, I wish I was on it, like. But good bunch of lads, like, honestly. A lot more experience than me. They've done it all, like, they've done the, the Snowdon, Nevis, and the other one, whatever it is, the Free Pay or whatever, the Free Mountains, all in one day, they were saying. I was like, bloody hell, fair play, mate. Because I think I've seen it online. Someone else did. They said it took about 18 hours. I was like, aye, that's good going, not like. But anyway, I'm all set up, as you can see, the tripod behind us. And probably got about half an hour, maybe 20 minutes or something to the start of the eclipse. So I'm hoping you can get some good shots. As you can see, it's a bit cloudy, but there is a lot of breaks in the cloud, so might be able to get some good footage. Fingers crossed anyway, lads and lasses. Well, the eclipse has seemingly started. It's about 6:10 and the clouds went, fuck you, you're not seeing jack shit, mate. Does not like I'm going to be able to get a shot of the Eclipse site, lads and lasses, unfortunately. About 10 minutes left of it, and a huge black cloud just rolled right across. It's just one of them things, I suppose. Bit gutted, like. Would have been nice to see it. But all we're getting is just shots of the black cloud, unfortunately. Hopefully you can do better with the meteor shower later. Fingers crossed. I wouldn't care, there's not one cloud out towards the sea. Not one. All the clouds are over there where the sun is. Oh, I'll set up now, lads and lasses. Just in time, golden hour. Honestly, there's no wind at all now. It's red hot. I had my fleece on when the eclipse was happening. I've had to take it off. It's so hot. Really, really warm. Don't even know if I'll climb into my sleeping bag, to be fair, like, tonight. It's so warm. It's even warmer in the tent. So I'll go in and show you me shit. Couple of bottles of water, me flask, my shitty crivet chair. Does the job, just for sitting in, I suppose. Bin bag there for all my shite. Some Kit Kats, some crackers, some milk for me tea, some cheese in there. Just like I've got a frozen block in there just to keep it cold. Some shortbread, a sarnie, some boonties, some chicken, flapjack. Got the Nature Hike CW 400 there. Like I say, I don't know if I'll even be using that to eat, like. Got the mountain equipment fleece, just my trespass jacket, my bag and all that, some dry clothes, etc. Could do for cold beer just to cool the doing. Unfortunately, I haven't got one of them. I've got lukewarm water and a hot cup of tea. Just what you want when it's hot as fuck, like, or warm as fuck. But it'll do the job, like. So I'm gonna chill out, have a bit of scran. I'll set a tripod up, have a cup on that, and just watch the sun go down. Just talking to the lads there, the two lads who I was seeing who I followed up here. Didn't want to be on camera now, so I didn't put the camera on their face, and now, you know, some people just, it's not for them. But shout out to Alan and Dave if you're watching. They say they're gonna probably subscribe to my channel. Honestly, two belter lads telling us about different spots where I could go while camping, their experiences and stuff like that. And it was good just to pick their brains, honestly. Because two blokes like that, honestly, they've been like the Himalayas and stuff like that. Like really experienced wild campers, hikers, etc. So it was good to hear their stories and pick their brains and just delve into that experience really of what to do and how to prepare, because like I say, I'm very new to all this wild camping, etc. Even hiking, really. I only started hiking last year, so yeah. He was saying basically like just write a list down about stuff you need to take and you want to take. Like definitely prep the day before and stuff like that. Honestly, what I do was normally just like leave it in the bag and then just start packing and all that on the day I go. And then I just feel like I've got loads of time, and then really I actually haven't. And then time just goes, even though I get up so early in the morning. So two belter lads, honestly. They're having a few drinks over there. They say they've got a few tinnies, couple of ciders, a couple of beers and some brandy. We were talking about whiskies and stuff like that. Alan was saying how he prefers the Irish whiskey just like me, and because I'm not too keen on Scottish whiskies and the oatiness, like, so it's not just me, it's actually a few people like that. So I was really good, pick their brains, like, and have a good conversation with them, good crack on there. Two good lads, honestly. I forgot to bring me cup, like. It's like I forgot to bring me cup, and I didn't bring me gas stove and all that because I said I wasn't making a hot meal because it's too warm. I was like, there's no point in making a hot meal because I didn't need it. And I left me gas canister in my bag. This is what I'm saying, like, unprepared. Honestly, got a laugh, like, so I've dragged me gas canister all the way up here for no reason, but we'll see if this is still hot. I think I brewed this at about maybe 2 o'clock, no, 3 o'clock, and it's now 9 o'clock. It says it's supposed to be good for 12 to 14 hours. It's the ultimate insulation thermos. I remember the last time I took it out on a hike, and it was still well hot, like, so we'll see. I've got a little tiny cup here, so it's like little cup as at a time. Oh, it's still hot, like. Fucking hell, it's like a mouthful at a time. Jesus Christ. Well, right, put that doing that. Put that back on there. Keep the heat in. Got a milk, look. Got me milk in there. Aye. Just a little bit of milk, like. Get it in. Tiny little bit of milk. I want it hot. Little cup, is it hot? Oh, you bet you it's hot. Still red hot. A good 6 hours later. Lovely, just a job. Cuppa with the ultimate views. Check out these views, mate. Have a bang on that. Honestly, couldn't ask for some better views than that, like. Been chilling outside, trying to get a glimpse of some meteor showers, but the cloud is just not playing ball, like. I come up here the other day, obviously I was coming anyway for a hike, and obviously the scenery and the shots I've got on the camera have been absolutely beautiful, but a bit gutted I couldn't get a shot of the eclipse and the meteor shower as well, like. Got a few little bits, but honestly, big black clouds straight across, big clouds. And the two lads I was talking to, Alan and Dave, they said the Met Office said it wasn't a forecast for all them clouds. And I was thinking, nah, because I looked and they said it wasn't either. For me, it was a few clouds, but not like as cloudy as what it was. And then I was thinking, oh, maybe I'll get a shot of the meteors, but no. Well, it's an early rise for me, lads and lasses. Didn't really sleep much. Not to worry, so I just thought I would just get up, get packed away and catch the sunrise, which should be happening in the next 10 minutes or so. Absolutely no trace. All my shit there, packed, ready to go on. That's where I had the tent doing there. No trace whatsoever. All my rubbish packed away in the bin bag. So I'm gonna wait for the sunrise come up, and then I'm gonna head back down. Another mission successfully completed, lads and lasses. And I just want to say thank you very much for joining us on my wild camp and field eclipse and failed meteor shower video. Not my fault, like, honestly. The cloud just, I think a lot of people had the same experience though, like around the northeast, to be fair, like in Scotland, etc. A lot of cloud. Seen some really good shots on Instagram, like of it, like it is what it is, but still got some amazing shots of the hills and the skies and all that. The armors and all that look really, really nice. So, having said that, I just want to say thank you very much, lads and lasses, for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.